give to you. Okay, I count now. Hi, Claudia, and welcome to Fact or Fiction. Fact or Fiction is a series where we bring all the products and then to prove the statements you've been wondering whether it's fact or fiction through experiments. So today's statement will be convenience always follow with consequences. Yeah. So there will be actually two segments with two experiments. The first segment will be connecting different types of terminal blocks, and then segment 2 will be doing the strength test for terminal blocks. Let's move on to segment 1. So welcome to segment 1. We are doing the sub-experiment together with UT and PT. We will be inviting two superstars from HR and admin, Michelle from HR and Diana from admin. So we are here actually to do the experiment together, and Michelle will be taking care of UT, the universal terminal blocks. Diana will be taking care of the push-in terminal blocks. So I will show them how to do it first before we go in for the experiment. So just remove it. That's it.
Nani?
What you need to do is just connecting the black color to black side and red color to red side. And that's it. So once it's done, and it will be light up. Yeah. So how to remove it, I'll also show you how. Just push the orange color button. And same thing. That's it. And then for universal terminal blocks, it's actually a screw one. So make sure that the opening has been opened. So same thing, you have a black color and the red color. Black color in. Turn the screw. Connected, it will be light up. Yeah. So it will be same thing. Actually, when you want to remove it, just screw back. So this will be your challenges. So you're ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Okay, you can see that actually PT is quite fast. So I will explain to you about this PT is actually using this push-in terminal blocks. The inside you can see this cage here. So in fact, what you need to do is just push the conductor in, that's it. That's all. Yeah. So you try to take out, it's really very difficult to take out. Yeah. In fact, even though it's very difficult to take out, this orange color button is helping you to remove it easily. So let me show you about this. In fact, my dear Diana and Michelle is using the screwdriver, so I don't have any screwdrivers, right? I just get my pen to just remove it. That's it. Yeah, so this orange color button is saving you from the live parts as well. So this is very good for PTs. So UT also lighting up. So this UT is one of our traditional way of connection. The cage for this case and this case is different. So this is actually a connected, this is not connected. So cage is out when it's connected. This is one of our Rigdon principle. So when you're screwing up, the cage will go up instead of the screw is going downwards. So as part of our Rigdon principle, I also want to share with you about this. This is one of our demo set that I can show you. This conductor, this current bar, this screw. So this cage, we actually supposed to go as mentioned. So when I screw up, it goes up, and also you can see the cage is somehow denting inwards. So let me show you. So when you screw up, you can see that it's somehow dented. You can see here, yeah. So it actually gives you the maximum contact of the conductor and the cage, so that you can actually get the low resistance. So also this is made of copper alloy, which gives the corrosion resistance as well. Okay, I'm gonna count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up! Okay. Thank you, Diana, and thank you, Michelle. Okay, so I think you guys already can guess that just now PT is the one that who light up first. So as you know, PT is the one that's the faster one. Then PT is the winner. Diana is the winner. And final from solution team. So it's gonna be like a tug of war. Wayan, come this side lah. Don't cheat ah. Okay, 20 seconds left. Bye.